Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. Recently I have seen the SQL murder mystery game on Instagram. After playing that game, solving different levels that I have found it very interesting. So I decided to find out more such games and keep solving, making my SQL journey from beginner to advanced level. So recently I have gone through the another game which is having different levels, which is consisting of different levels actually. We just need to solve the first level with the help of which we will be awarded by the XP points, and those XP points can be used to unlock the another levels and keep continuing your journey on that game. In the SQL murder mystery, there is only a single question being asked, and after solving, there is no other level I found. So that's why I decided to jump to the different game. So today we are going to talk about the game which I have found, which is consisting of different levels. So you just need to type on the Chrome SQL Games, and the first link that will be having the line something like the line which is written something like uh, top 5 SQL games and something. I will be sending you the link also. So today I will be solving the second case. Yesterday I have solved the first case. I found it really interesting. So I decided to explain to you the second case, and with the help of the understanding of the second case, you will also find it really interesting, and you will definitely love it. So let us start solving the game, the second case, that is the stolen sound. Here we go. This is the interface which we will be getting after searching for the SQL games. The first game which I'm talking about is this one. So after moving to the cases section, we will be getting these two games. I have solved the vanishing briefcase already. So today I am going to solve the stolen sound. You need to just log in first of all in order to save your progress and the points which you are earning after solving these cases in order to unlock the levels. Like you can see here, for unlocking this level it is requiring 100 XP points, which I will be getting by solving the stolen sound. So yesterday that I have when I solved the vanishing briefcase, I was not logged in this game there. That's why my progress is not saved yet. But the first two games are free. So let us start with the stolen sound and get the 100 XP points. So all we just need to read out this stolen sound case. First of all, the case completely, and these objectives is need to be covered. So first of all, let me just open a doc file. So first of all, let me just open the doc file. You can use the word file too, but let me just open the doc file first of all. Here we go, a blank document. Yep, let me just open them all together like this. Okay, so we need these information in the future also, so let me just copy this and paste it here in order to make it comfortable for us to solve the question. The objectives are not needed to be copied, just read them out. Like what the question is saying: in the neon glow of 1980s Los Angeles, the West Hollywood record store was rocked by a daring theft. A prize vinyl record worth over $10,000 vanished during a busy run evening, leaving the store owner desperate for answers, vaguely recalling the details. You know the incident occurred on this is what the key information which we are having, the date on which the incident happened at this famous store. Your task is to track down the thief and bring them to the justice. We are having the four objectives. The first objective is saying retrieve the crime scene report for the record theft using the known date and location. Then retrieve witness record linked to the crime. This is telling all the four steps which we need to do. So we are having this section where we are writing our SQL query in order to deal with the database, and we are having these four tables with the help of which we will be getting and retrieving the information. I will first prefer to view the graphical view with the help of which I will be getting all the overview of how the graph, how the table is being connected with the help of the foreign keys, which key is having which meaning. So first of all, in the crime scene, the ID, that is the primary key also, and it is the foreign key to the witness. So this is the referential and this is the referenced one. So we all have this prior knowledge in order to solve the question. Okay, so first of all, what we are having this date with the help of this date. So do we have anything related to date? Yes, we do have here in the crime scene. So let me just write a query of this. So I have write down the query. Select star from the witness where crime scene ID is equals to 65. Let me just erase everything first of all. This is the first thing. Okay, so select star from crime scene. Okay, tab. What do we have? Where date, we do have the date. So we know that the SQL is consisting the date like format, first year, then month, and then the date. So year is 1983. 1983, so let me just write down here 1983. And which month is this? Seventh month, and the date is 15. So colon execute. So we got this information after running this query. So let me just copy this here. We will be requiring this in the future also. So just copy, paste. Okay. So what do we get? The ID, date, type of theft, location, and the description. A prize vinyl record was stolen from the store during a busy evening. Okay. So the important thing which we got, let me open the graphical view. Yes, the crime scene having the ID. So we got the ID 65. With the help of this ID we can find the crime scene ID, and these crime scene ID will be giving us the witness ID. So we need to go or fetch the information from the witnesses with the help of this 65 ID. So make the changes. Crime scene ID, crime scene ID, I guess it was ID, crime scene ID. Yes, it was crime scene ID is equivalent to 65. Yes, and the table is now witnesses. Witnesses. Run this query. So we got this two witnesses. These two witnesses. Okay, Control C, and let me just paste it here. Let me just paste it here. Okay, this is what the witnesses. Okay, let me just make it bold in order to make it more visible now. Okay, done. Now let me just open the graphical view again. We are having the witness and ID. What the first witness is saying, read out. The first witness, which is having the ID 28. I saw a man wearing a red bandana rushing out of the store. Okay. The second witness is saying the main thing I remember that he had a distinctive gold watch on his wrist. Okay. So the first one is saying red bandana. So where can we have the bandana color? Yes, in the suspect. So in the suspect we have the bandana color property here in the suspect, and we have the color red. And second one is accessory. The accessory, he is confirmed that the main thing he is remembering is the gold watch. So let me just write a query for the suspects. This time the table name is suspects, and what are the information we have? We are having the first information, that is the bandana color. Bandana color is equals to red, and we are having the accessory. What is the name of this attribute? Accessory. Okay, this is a textual. Okay, accessory is equivalent to, accessory is gold watch. Okay, so write it out here, gold watch. The hell man, watch. Okay, so trying to execute this. Yes, 3% we got which are having these common attributes. So let me just copy them. Suspects, this is the information. Tony, Mickey and Rico, they are having the common attributes. Now again open the graphical view. The graphical view is saying that you got the IDs, suspect ID. Here we are having 35, 44 and 97. These are the suspect IDs. These are the key to interviews. Let us see the interviews of these guys, what they told. Suspect ID. Okay, so the table schema name is interviews. Okay, so interviews. And what do we have here, where the suspect id is equivalent to the first one, 35. 35 is the ID for the first guy. Let me just write. So this guy is saying, this 35 one is saying, I wasn't anywhere near West Hollywood Records that night. So this was not the actual culprit, because he's saying he was not there in the interview. Let me just write 44 in order to find the Mickey's interview. I was busy with my music career. I have nothing to do with this theft. Okay, so he is also saying the same thing. He was not the culprit. Now, for 97, I couldn't help it. I snapped and took the record. So, this is the culprit, Rico Delgado. He's saying that I couldn't help it. I snapped and took the record. So, he's the one who got this record. So, what we need to tell is the answer is the Rico Delgado. I think it's the correct answer. Let us check. Yes, this is the correct answer, and in this way, you will be finding the different questions which are really interesting, and it takes only 5 to 10 minutes if you focusly solve these questions. So, this is all from my side. Thank you for watching. Thank you.